Facebook just added an exciting update whereby you can place your Facebook ads on people's WhatsApp status. This is actually amazing for advertisers because people spend more time on WhatsApp. People view WhatsApp status steady every day. With this new Facebook update of placing ads on people's WhatsApp status, your own ad will be able to convert more because people spend more time on WhatsApp. Let me show you how to do it.
Open your Meta Ads Manager. Just go through the normal way you run ads. If you click on this create button, then select the objective you want to use. For instance, let's say you're using engagement. You select engagement objective, click on this continue button, go with manual, select manual for you to be able to place that ad on WhatsApp status. Then click on this continue button. You will edit your campaign name, the normal way you set up your ad. I just want to take you straight to placement so that I will show you how to place your Facebook or Instagram ads on WhatsApp status. Okay, so I will scroll down, click on this continue button. Because placement is at the ad set level, you will also set your ad set name, the normal way you run ad. If you don't know how to run ad, if you're a complete beginner, there is a complete step-by-step Facebook ads video for beginners. The link will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, you click there to watch the video. Now, if your conversion location is for message destination, you select message destination here, then select the page you want to use for your ad. Now, I like manual destination, so I'll select manual destination and I will set it only on WhatsApp. So I'll uncheck Messenger here and leave it on only WhatsApp. Okay, you can see WhatsApp right here, and I also allow data sharing. Okay, then if you scroll down now, you will set other things. Remember, you set other things how you set your ad. I just want to take you straight to placement, placing your Facebook ads on WhatsApp status. Okay, so scroll down to placement. Placement is the last thing you will set at the ad set level. At placement right here, scroll down, you will see Advantage Plus placement. Click on this edit button here, select manual placement. The manual placement will enable you to check WhatsApp. Okay, now when you scroll down, you see that under platforms, you now have Facebook, Instagram, audience network, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Threads. Okay, if you want it to show on WhatsApp status, you are going to ensure you leave this WhatsApp on. You can uncheck audience network. You can also uncheck Messenger. If you like, you can uncheck Instagram if you don't want it to show on Instagram. So you can uncheck Instagram. I have left it on Facebook and WhatsApp. So this is going to show on WhatsApp status. If you check all the placement here, if you scroll down, you will see that WhatsApp status is among the placements.
This is an exciting update that will improve the ad conversion for advertisers. What do you think about this Facebook ads update? Let me know in the comment section. Drop a comment below.